in the form of ax squared plus k. A is going to be minus 5 and k is going to be 0. Okay, so we have this function, this parabola is going to open downwards, right, because of this negative value, okay, because a is negative. So then the vertex can be represented by 0k if we have our parabola in this form. So the k value is 0. So 0, 0 is our vertex. And to find the domain and range, right, the domain for any parabola is going to be x is the set of real numbers. As for the range, right, we need to find the minimum or maximum value first. But because this is a downward facing parabola, the vertex y value right here will give a maximum value. So we'll have a max value, right? And the maximum value is going to be y is equal to 0, right? The y value of the vertex. So as long as your y value, so as long as your range, the y value is less than or equal to the maximum possible value, right? This function makes sense.